We're seriously out in the country, man. Of course, guys, the campsite I'm looking at is up this freaking hill. Let's try. Oh God, this is steep. Whoa. Another tunnel, guys. Seriously, not exaggerating, like the 7th or 8th tunnel I've gone through today. I mean, I'm definitely happy they're here. Instead of having to go over or around the mountains, we just go through. Makes it a lot easier. We're seriously out in the country, man. The car and bike road mixed together for a little while. Looks like we're back on bike road now, but this is peaceful. The train track is right next to me right there. We're kind of following it. Found this nice little place to stop. The sun's not really coming out today. It's a very overcast day. A little chilly, but it's nice for riding. It's only 11:24 and we're already getting close to the campsite for today. Didn't take long at all. So I've been looking at the map and thinking about if I should try going on or not. But I think it's probably better to ensure I have accommodation tonight than continue going. Especially, I don't know if it's gonna rain, but it looks like it could. My tent is very waterproof. It'll be fine if it rains, but I'd rather be inside somewhere. So I think what the plan is I'm gonna go ahead to this campsite. I'm gonna ask if they have room for tonight, because it is Friday night. I mean, maybe it's already reserved up and full, and that'll give me my answer. If it's full, we keep going. If not, we'll just stay there. Of course, guys, the campsite I'm looking at is up this freaking hill. Let's try. Oh God, this is steep. Hopefully it's not this steep all the way. We'll try it for now and see what happens. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad, pushing the bike. Whoa. Holy crap. This is the hardest thing I've done this whole trip. All for a campsite that might not even have availability. Looks like it's gonna flatten out a little though. Ugh, Jesus. My heart is really beating now. This wouldn't be that bad if I didn't have so much stuff on the bike. Does it flatten out? Can't tell. Oh God, no. Maybe up there, but not where I thought it did. Dude, this sucks. I'll be flying down this thing tomorrow. Whew. I made it to the top. Hopefully no more uphill. Let's get back on here. We're really close. Ah, good, just down. Hopefully only down, no more up. So close now. I can almost taste it. I can taste the camp, the dirt. Maybe that says the campsite's name? I don't know. Oh man, come on. Why you gotta do this? I can actually see the campsite up there. It's just the whole rest of the way is struggle. I'm just taking it easy, lots of breaks. Don't wanna push myself too far and have a problem. All right, let's keep going. This would not be that bad if I didn't have the bags on my bike. I see a tent. Oh man, cool. In case you guys can't tell how steep this is on the camera, there's a truck that passed me and it's also seriously struggled to get up here. And it's a motor vehicle. That should tell you something for sure. But we are close. We're 3/4 of the way up this hill, but it's got some curves. I see open spots. Hopefully that means they have availability. I heard camping here is super popular in Korea, so checking for availability is important, but I tried to write them, but nobody wrote back. All right, I just parked my bike here. Not a real parking spot. I need to find somebody to talk to. Oh man, gotta get my heart rate down first actually. I don't know where to go or who to talk to. I just see a bathroom. I don't really see any facility. Let's walk around and see what we can find. So I just wanted to mention a couple of things that happened at this campsite that I wasn't really able to capture on video. Firstly, I felt like an idiot walking around this area with my big bags on the bike. Everyone was kind of looking at me, or I felt like everyone was looking at me. Maybe they weren't, but nobody was stopping and helping me, which is fine. You know, they're doing their own thing. They maybe don't even realize I'm looking for help. I was having a lot of trouble trying to find someone to talk to. I was looking for like a little camp office type building where I could talk to them about staying the night, but that didn't seem to exist. I walked all over the campsite and couldn't find anything. I did see a building building up on a hill that I thought maybe that's it. So I walked all the way up there, and turns out it was just somebody's house, which was embarrassing. Finally, I just hung out around the bathroom feeling lost and saw a guy go in to clean them. So I approached him. He didn't speak any English. He had to run and find somebody else. And finally, the guy he found was this young guy who spoke really good English, and he helped me out. But all in all, this was my first time feeling really like a fish out of water in Korea. I felt extremely lost, extremely hopeless, to be honest. And then the guy didn't really give me the news I wanted to hear either. So all in all, this campsite, not my best experience in Korea. So this campsite is full. They said it's a public holiday here on Monday, so all the campsites are probably going to be full all weekend. So camping's out. Probably got to find a hotel or Airbnb. I don't know where to stay. I'm going to start checking Google now. Luckily there's signal here. They were really nice, said I could sit and rest, try to figure it out from here. It's only 12, so I still have hours. We've got time to figure it out. All right, it looks like if we just go a little deeper into town, there's a lot of hotels there. So we'll just have to go to different hotels and ask if they have availability. And then if none of that works, the original campsite I wanted to go to is further down. It said it's closed, but we could check and see. But we'll try the hotels first.
5 minutes later.
Well, I noticed this little trail coming down here. The campsite was just up there. Normally I'd have to go all the way around in the back and circle around a lot. So I just tried to walk the bike down from there. There was a path, and it went about as you could expect. The bike fell over. It's too heavy on the back, of course. So while it's laying there, I have to pull everything off, carry each part down individually, put it all back together. Not fun. Well, I managed to find a place, and it's not that bad. I'll show you in just a sec. It's just a hotel. I just saw a thing on Google Maps. I was going by. I saw a building that looked like a hotel, and then I checked Google Maps and it said hotel. So I just rode around to it and came in. It was 50,000 a night, which is, I mean, that's a little bit less than what I paid for the last place, which was awesome. This place is spacious. It's not bad by any means, but it's clearly old. It's been here for a while. But yeah, it's fine. It'll do the trick. I wish I was spending a lot less in camping. That was the plan. I guess I won't be camping for this entire weekend. I guess until next week. That's what the guy was telling me. He said he felt bad for me pushing my bike all the way up there. And he wishes there was something he could do, but there wasn't. And he was super, super, super nice. So if you somehow find this video, thanks for all your help. He offered water and let me stay and try to figure things out, so that was cool. Pretty basic. The bed is not comfortable, but it'll be fine. It'll do. Here's the bathroom. Assuming hot water comes out of that, then it's fine. Looks great. Yeah, it all looks totally acceptable. I don't know what there is to do or see around here, but we're gonna find out. Definitely gonna wash my face first, that's for sure. There's some kind of garden here. I do not know what this place is. This is actually really cool. It just keeps going, guys. This place is massive. You're a wizard, Harry.